Hey honeys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Shanae, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how I installed this glueless closure wig. So in today's video, I'm going to be working with Nadula Hair Company. And I'm just going to show you guys what I got in the package. So I got this satin robe that you guys seen in a bag with goodies. So I got a wig cap, a melt band, some eyelashes, a makeup brush, a satin bag to store the wig, a hair clip, an edge control brush, another melt band, another wig cap, and of course the wig itself. So this was a 24-inch straight closure wig. As you can see, it is pre-cut, and inside it is a ventilated cap so you can scratch your head. You know, we all love that. So it has the combs in the wig as well. It has an adjustable band that they also have in the wig and a non-slip silicone strip. So this is how the wig looks in the inside, and I'm just showing you guys how the lace is looking on my skin and the hairline. So the hairline was a bit pre-plucked already, so I didn't have to go ahead and pluck the hairline, but I'm just showing you guys how it looks. This was straight hair, and yeah, we're gonna get into this install. So my hair was braided into 6 straight backs, and you want to make sure your braids are nice and flat. And then I'm going to go in with my wig cap. So I am not doing a bald cap method, guys. I'm just going to be pushing this wig cap behind my hairline a bit. And then I'm going in with my Too Faced concealer, and I'm going to spread that to the top portion of the wig cap and as well as the inside of the wig. Next, I'll be taking the adjustable band and I'm just going to tighten it a bit and then put the wig on my head. And guys, once the wig is on your head and it is secured and you have adjusted the band to fit your head, the wig, that's it. And that's what I mean when this wig takes no work at all. But of course, we're gonna go in, make sure it looks nice and smooth and sleek and all that good stuff. So I'm gonna go ahead and use my Babyliss Pro Nano Titanium 3000 flat iron, in case you guys are wondering. And I'm gonna go ahead and straighten this hair. So once I finish flattening the hair, I'm just going in with my DAX and I'm just rubbing it on my hands and throughout the hair. And then I'm gonna work with the closure portion. So I'm gonna go in with my wax stick and my hot comb just to make the closure portion lay flatter. I like to do this. It is not a must, but it does look better when you do not skip this step. So I go ahead and I apply the wax stick to the root of the hair, and then I go in with my hot comb and press it down, and it gives it a much flatter look. So once I finished flattening the hair and stuff, I realized that there was just a bit too much lace showing, like extra lace. So I just went ahead and I just cut some of the lace off. That way it won't be noticeable, because this is glueless wig. There's no like melting the lace or anything like that. Literally this wig just sits. So I just decided to cut off a little bit of the extra lace, and I thought it looked much better afterwards. And then I'm going back in with my concealer and my tail comb, and I'm using the end of the tail comb just to apply the concealer to the part so that the part just looks nice and crisp. And of course, because my wig cap was showing, it also was able to cover it. So I don't like not doing this because it makes it look much more natural. But I'm just showing you guys. As you can see, this can come off, go on, come off again, go on again. That's the thing about glueless. Like, there is nothing to it. And you don't have to be committed to the one hairstyle. You can take off a wig, put on another wig, all that good stuff. So this is how it's looking, guys. I hope you enjoyed this super quick and easy tutorial. Shout out to Nadula Hair Company for sponsoring this video. If you guys are interested in picking up a glueless wig, you can go ahead and check out their website. All the details will be down in my description box below, so don't forget to check them out. And yeah, that is about it for this tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you guys think about these glueless wigs down in the comments below if you've tried one. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.